All right, we should have our tabs all set up in something similar to this, where we have 4 blue tabs that correlate to the 4 tabs from our virtual notebook in the Horizon Hub. We should also have a training notes and a coach notes tab, along with any other miscellaneous tabs that you wanted to create in a different color. So let's go ahead and start with how to set up the notes. When you first open a tab, you're going to have a blank page that says Untitled over here. You put the title in over here, not on this side. And if you just start typing your notes and paragraphs here, that's what will show up as a title. So let's go ahead and put an actual title, and we're going to call this one Current Notes. Boom. And then I also want to add another page called Archived Notes. So we have those 2 main pages set up here. If we go back into the current notes, from here I can just start dating my notes. Note, come down here, the next date I can do it again, 16, note, and so on. Now what'll happen is over time, Coach Maves and I will be making comments in here. And say you have a comment there on your notes that you were fatigued, or you were sore, or you had some issue with your training, we'll go in here and we'll add another a response or a comment. And we'll color it. If I add it, it's going to be in blue. If Coach Maves adds it, it's going to be in red. So then you can have a dialogue back and forth and know exactly who's making the comments. OneNote is kind of nice in that it will add the initials of the person that is adding the comment or response, so you can also use that to track who's making the comments. Over time, this page is going to fill up with a lot of notes, and you're going to not want to scroll down every time to add a new note. So you'll want to take this and you're going to archive it. To do that, all I'm going to do is change this, and I'm going to say 2016 November, and it's going to go until, let's just say it was 2017 January, and that was the term of my note. Changes the name here, and I'm going to move it down underneath my archive notes, and I'm going to indent it by saying make it a subpage. So now I can organize all of those down there. Now, as you can see, I don't have a current notes anymore, so go ahead and re-add that in, current notes. Boom, and start making your notes again. So go ahead and do that with your training notes, and set up your coach notes the same way. Click over here, current notes, and then this page is going to be archived notes. And start taking notes.